Good day everyone, welcome back to our class, and our lesson for today is all about computer networking. So first, let's define computer network. A computer network is a group of computers connected to one another for the purpose of sharing data, hardware, and other resources. Once computers are in a network, they will now be able to communicate with one another. So we have four classification of networks. We have the area of coverage, topologies, wired or wireless, and lastly, network design. So that is the four classifications of network. First, we will discuss the area of coverage. We have four different kinds of area coverage. First, we have the LAN or local area network. Is a network that covers a small area such as network home, small office, school, or a building. A LAN is usually owned and operated by a person or by an organization. So a local area network is a small area. Next, we have the CAN or Campus Area Network. It is a network that usually refers to a school or university network. A CAN may be composed of several LANs, usually used by big learning institutions that cover several buildings and departments, and the CAN is usually operated by the school owners or by the management. Next, we have the WAN or the Wide Area Network. It is a network that covers great distances such as cities, provinces, countries, or the world. The internet is an example of a WAN, and it covers and networks the whole world and even in space. WAN, as in the case of the internet, is not owned by a single entity. Hindi po siya pagmamay-ari ng isang tao lamang, person or organization. The management of a WAN, such as the internet, is shared by individuals, many groups, and organizations. Meaning, marami pong mga tao ang nagmamay-ari o nagsasama-sama para sa wide area network. Lastly, MAN or Metropolitan Area Network. It is a network that covers an area greater than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. Hindi malaki sa WAN at mas malaki sa LAN. A MAN may cover an entire city or municipality like Tanay. A MAN is usually operated by the local government units or big businesses entities. So that is the MAN. Next classification of network is topologies. Network topology refers to how the computers in a network are linked physically. So first one, we have the ring network. As you can see at your screen, we have the diagram like a ring. That is what we call ring network. In a local area network, the computers are connected to a network through a loop or ring. Each computer is connected to two computers to communicate. The signal is passed either clockwise or counterclockwise in the loop. The disadvantage of this setup is that if one machine fails, the entire loop also stops working. So there are disadvantages of using ring network, such as if one computer or machine fails, the entire loop will also stop working. Next, we have the star network. Star network in a local area network. The star network utilizes a central hub to connect to all computers. The hub acts as a central station of all signals, and every signal passes through it. The star network is easy to implement, and adding another computer is made easier by connecting a new line to the hub. Yung nasa gitna. If one computer fails in a star network, it would not affect the entire system. But if the hub fails, the whole network will be affected. As you can see in the diagram, yung nasa gitna, kapag yan yung nag-fail, lahat ng computer na nakakonect sa kanya mag-fail. Pero kung yung mga nasa kamay niya lamang, yung nakakonect lang sa kanya ang mag-fail, hindi mag-fail lahat. Kasi hindi naman nag-fail yung hub o yung main computer. Next, we have the bus network. It's a computer network topology wherein all computers connected to a single cable or wire. A single bus cable traverses the space, and each computer is connected to this cable. The signal travels through the cable with a specific IP address for a certain machine. The signal is ignored if it does not match the computer's address, and accept it if it matches its addresses. The bus network is inexpensive to implement since it only utilizes one wire. However, if that wire breaks, the entire network also fails. So, yung nasa gitna pong wire, kapag yan ang nag-fail o nasira, the entire network will also fail. So, kailangang ingatan. Next, we have the tree network. Tree as in puno is also known as the hierarchical network. In this topology, the computers are connected to a single root central machine. And from that single root machine, additional one or more machines are connected, forming the second level of the hierarchy. And then each second level, branch or node, one or more machines are also connected, forming the third level of the network, and so on. The tree topology is actually an integration of the star and bus topologies to improve future network expansion. So, yung tree ay pinagsamang star at bus network. Lastly, we have the mesh network. Is a network topology that employs multiple routes to send the signal in a network, wherein the signal can have various paths to take from source to destination. The mesh network is either full or partial. In a full mesh network, all devices are directly connected to one another. And in a partial mesh network, some devices connected indirectly to other devices. In our diagram in your screen, that is an example of partial mesh network. So network topologies can be combined to attain certain network objectives. So that is our lesson for today. The continuation of our lesson will be discussed tomorrow. Thank you very much for listening. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Enjoy learning. Bye!